evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Thank you.
Please.
Before we go to the subject, my subject is today communication, effective communication skill. Friends, I will just request very common topic I have chosen today. Effective communication skill. Can somebody throw a light? What is effective communication skill? One comment from each table, please.
Message communicated.
Very good. Next, sir, anything?
Almost similar lines.
Similar.
So,
Anything, sir, from your side? What is communication?
to make others understand your
Yes,
thought process.
you are right. Sir, what is communication?
what is in your mind, if the follower is able to put it in action, you are communicating.
No, understanding others' point of view is very important in communication. Others' point of view. That's what
Yes, you are right. Now this is the two areas. You can see two persons are sitting. If communication is not there, then how they will interact? This is basically required. Two people, they are blind, they are not talking. Now this has to go there, that has to come there. And lot of talks you can see. If it is not clear, it is not correct, then it will create like this only. Khichdi they will make it, if it is not proper. Friends, this is the only requirement. We should convey properly and we should say proper words. So, just definition of the word of books. Effective communication means the imparting or exchanging of information by speaking, writing or using some other medium. So, all of you are thankful and we should have clap for all of you. All of you are right. Whatever you told, this is correct. Expressing, speaking, writing, this is all communication. Friends, this is very much required. And what are the requirement of it? Can anybody tell what are the requirement of communication? What are the requirement of tools or effectivity, something? What are the tools of it? Communication.
Should be clear.
It should
What
be
exactly?
clear. Very good.
Clarity.
Clarity. Next one.
Language.
Language. Sir.
Sir, will you please repeat your
What are the tools of communication?
rules of communication?
Brevity.
Communication in
Sir.
Body language.
Body language, yes. Listening skills.
I told you, you are able to deliver what is in your mind.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You're right. Sir has told verbal. There are 4 types of communication. More in broad spectrum, 4. First, very important and very used in all organizations, verbal communication. Lot of talks are happening in a verbal manner because we cannot be in a written manner always. You will find we are doing phone calls, we are doing a video calls, we are doing a conferencing calls. We are just talking all together. We are presenting verbally to so many areas, so many things. This is a verbal communication which is required because we don't have that much manpower to write everything and give to us. Write everything to give to that person. So it is not possible. So verbal communication is found in this methodology, very soundproof, very effective and very useful. Are you agree on this point?
Yes.
Very good. You are also agreeing?
Yes.
Verbal communication is very important nowadays, which is most in use. And you can say this is the only starting. But friends, this is also creating some problems. We say something and understood by something. We have told something and understood by other by something. And result is something else. This is happening in all organizations. Friends, when I joined one of my last unit, last organization, I was really fed up to say, I was telling them, whole day I was telling them, yaar ye karna hai, ye karna hai, ye karna hai. At the end of the day, what was happening? Long story of excuses. And work was really paralyzed. And this is the little bit drawback of verbal communication. But now then we have come to another point, writing. Writing means when we started doing it the writing manner. We were now the second step I adopted, I used to give them in writing. So when the verbal communication comes, it is a verbal part. and most of is happening all the operations. Are you all agreeing on this point?
Yes, sir.
Maximum working verbal. Then second is a non-verbal. What is the non-verbal communication? Can anybody say?
Action.
Body language.
Yes, you are right. What is the non-verbal body language?
Expression.
On paper or mail over the night. Mind.
Mind, yes, you are
Very
right.
important. Silence.
Written communication, it is a form of emails, letters, memos, work allotments, checklist. It is all for everyone, every day. Now this is the documented proof. Written is required basically. If written is not there, then verbal will not do anything. Verbal will come to the written part only. Wherever we are going for presentation, the written is very much required. It is it is required everywhere. Written, whenever we write some emails to anywhere or business letter, we must be very precise and we should be very clear. And before we are shooting this email to somewhere for a proposal, or to your boss, or to a government offices, we must just clearly think it out. We should read it, and if it is possible to give to your next senior person who can just analyze it in a written communication. As that lot of senior people are sitting with us, they can understand the value of writing proposals. Because it should be very simple, crisp and information giving. So written is a very important. Now friends, we comes to the visuals, which is more giving the effects. What are the visuals? Visuals means this is what? Can somebody
Mobile phone.
Mobile phone. This is what? Kind attention please. What is this? This is a packet. And something is there. This is
Elastic,
packet.
balloon.
So these are the visuals basically. Sometimes we show charts. This is the correct examples of visuals. So this is giving a good effect to your listeners, to the presenters, to the audience. If we show something, then they are more recognized and recognizable in fact. And picture speaks the results and outcome of the word. Friends, we have already come out that point: verbal, oral, written, non-verbal, and formal, informal. These all are acceptable. Somewhere we are adopting verbal, somewhere we are adopting non-verbal, somewhere written proposals, somewhere memos. As initially I just informed you, if we are not writing it properly, if we are continuously working on a verbal based, then sometimes collapse may be happening. Because if we are saying something, they are understanding something, they are understanding something and they are producing something else, then it is a disaster for the organization basically. So all the forms of communications are required. All the forms of presentations are required. If we want to become a leader, then communication should be very strong. So these all forms should be accepted by all to go forward for our communicative work, to official work, everywhere. So now we will have one small activities. Can all of you, can we come? केवल हम लोग आपको ये बताना है next. This is the word. इस पर करके बताना, repeat भी नहीं करना, and it will come up like this.
Ladies are good in whispering now.
This is very good exercise. Okay, please all of you sit down please. Only two will stand, first and last. Thank you very much. Okay. Now result will come out now. Please come back. Now the result will come out. Sir, what is the end?
आस-पास सर्दी है, गरम कपड़े पहन के खा लो.
आस-पास सर्दी है, गरम कपड़े पहन के खा लो, खाना खा लो.
खा लो बच्चों.
What was the question in fact?
आज बहुत सर्दी है, हमें गर्म कपड़े पहनकर वक्त बिताना चाहिए।
Now this is the हमें आज सर्दी है,
मैंने गुजारना बोला।
हमें गर्म कपड़े पहनकर वक्त बिताना चाहिए। And answer has come.
कोई बात नहीं।
जैसे एक जरा सा शब्द उल्टा सीधा होता है ना तो मामला कुछ और होता है।
Yes, friends, you have seen verbal communication. It was told something and answer has come up something. This was only 12 persons attended this one, and if attended by 1000 person, then it should have been something else.
कम से कम सर्दी थी। एटलीस्ट कॉमन ही था।
Now friends, as we discussed earlier, basic tools of effective communications. We will come again. What are the basic tools? What are the effective requirement of the communication? Can somebody tell?
सही बताया।
आप बोलिए। इफेक्टिव बनाने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए हमें कम्युनिकेशन में? क्या होना चाहिए?
Good. We should be able to understand whatever is delivered.
Relevant. Understanding basically. Sir.
हमें अपनी बात को दूसरे तक बोलने के लिए प्रॉपर एक पेशेंस और प्रॉपर मेथड को बताइए।
Okay. हाँ जी सर।
गोपाल से बताइए।
गोपाल सर।
Yes sir.
What are the basic elements? What are the effective communication? What are the requirement
Basic elements. Sir,
to make it effective?
one should be, thoroughly learned person,
Okay.
and he or she should say correct things and with correct data.
Okay.
And instruction must be clear, and we must fix that we have to ensure the communication is correct. We can ask whether you have understand.
Okay. Very good. मतलब overall scenario correctness should be there.
Yes.
Sir.
We should use more of nouns than pronouns. Clear बताने के लिए कि ये वो नहीं करना चाहिए, clear बताना चाहिए किस बंदे से क्या काम है क्या।
That means clarity. In your words.
thoughts and
Let us see what the result comes. Let us see. We will go one by one. First, language. You are all right, and we can have a clap of it. Friends, first language should be there. Communication means language. If language is not correct, which is understood by both the parties, then communication will be failed. This will create a barrier of communication. Agar if language is not good, somebody speaking in English, somebody speaks in some other language which is not understood. Because two official language, Hindi and English, is the most acceptable in India. If I speak in English, somebody speaks in Spanish, there is no use because I will not understand Spanish or French or German language. So language should be very good parameter of it. It should be equal to all. Clarity, as you all have told, clarity. It should be there. Clarity should be there. If we are not clear in our words, then it will be a barrier of language, and talk will be failed. Body language. In non-verbal, we have just discussed body language. We are not saying anything, but our body is saying something. Friends, body always speaks something. Either you in whatever motions, it is speaking all the time. Body always speaks. Next comes to smile or eye contact. Friends, whenever we are talking to somebody, our face should smile at least. Eye contact should be there. If eye contact is not there, then whatever you are saying, he may not understand.
But smile not always.
Yes, it is as per requirement. It should be there. Whenever we are speaking, we should have smile face, as per requirement. If we are गुस्सा हो रहे हैं, फिर भी हंस रहे हैं. मतलब हमें गुस्सा ही होना है तो हंसने की जरूरत
there
है.
is some sort of values or anything.
Yes. मतलब expression should be as per the emotion and requirement. It is there. Empathy. Friends, empathy is a good word. Whatever we are saying, it should come from inside. Humbleness should be there.
Putting yourself in issues.
Yes. Humor and courtesy. Humor and courtesy should be there. Whenever we are talking, it should be very courteous. Humor होना चाहिए उसके. Then creativity. whatever we are talking, it should be very creative. अगर बात में कोई मजा नहीं आएगा, कुछ creativity नहीं है, then nobody will understand. Or nobody want to listen that talk. If somebody has some interest and creativity, then only he will spend some time with you.
Yes. वीडियो में व्यूज नहीं आ रहे.
Yes. If it is not creative, then it will pass. There is no effect at all. Now, very important, discussion and argument. Friends, whenever two persons are talking, it should be in a discussion manner, not to argument. If argument is going, then it is going to be a fail of the talk, and it is a creating of barriers. Correctness. Whatever we speak in a loud manner, correct manner, so that it should be understood by all. Completeness. Friends, our talk should be very complete, very elaborated, and should be there, some meaning should be there. If it is meaning is not there, then half word nobody wants to listen. Whatever it is there, message should be very clear. And everybody told the same things, which is there. Some more things can be covered. Tone of the voice. This is mixed match of all four. It is tone of the voice is very important. As per the atmosphere, as per the requirement, tone of the voice should be decided. Tone will be high. If we are friendly, tone will be high. Tone is something else.
Polite.
If we are in a good, very good mood, then very slow.
It's senior.
Yes, we are very near, then it is very soft. Whatever we are speaking, very precise, quality, and should be understood by all. This is the first word of the language, in fact. It has come up last. Whatever we are saying, it should be सोच के बात करनी है,
तोल के बोलना.
पहले तोलो फिर बोलो. बहुत पुराना वर्ड है. Think before you speak. Knowledge of the topic. Whatever we are speaking, it should be knowledgeable, and we should have the thorough knowledge of it. If we are not having any knowledge, then very dangerous. Half knowledge, as sir has told, very dangerous. Wherever we go for meeting, for present our topics, to present our proposal, we should have thorough knowledge. If it is not there, then it will create really a rumble and failure of talks. Body language, understanding, clarity, written communication. These are the basic and main part of communication, which is decided for the success of any business, success for career, success for a family life, success for a organization. If poor communication persists, barrier persists, then we can think our failure is very much comfortable. If barriers are not there, my dear friends, whatever meeting you goes, whatever interview you are facing, I can challenge you at least 30% you are plus. Along with that, your education qualification, your body, your beauty. If the communication is there, then definitely it is a path of success only. Now further we will zero down the things. What is the in fact communication? Now what is the communication? We'll go one by one. What is the, can somebody say two, three words? Indra sir, please come.
Correctly.
Will come on that. Sir, first part, C. What are the words can come? Can you understand?
Correct, clear, clarify.
Yes.
Clarity.
Clarity. C stands for clarity. Everybody is told.
Yes.
Correctness. Clear. These are the first C stand. This is made by us. This may not be scientifically somewhere. This is made by me, and so many people have for this. Now second comes O. On the spot. Very good.
Objectives.
Objectives. मतलब every communication should have an objective. Clarity होनी चाहिए. On the spot होना चाहिए. Yes.
Meaningful.
Meaningful. Thank you, sir. Sir will come.
Mindfulness.
Memory is mindful.
Mindful.
Meaningful.
Meaningful. Both are correct. Meaningful, mindful. Very good.
Understanding.
U is for understanding.
Understanding.
Neat and clean.
N is neat and clean.
Yes.
Natural flow.
Natural flow, very important. Language should be very natural. It should not be forced. Thank you, sir.
Informative.
Please, Gopal, please come.
Confidence.
Give
Rhetoric communication is
Confidence. Communication.
Authentic attention.
Yes.
I stands for
Yes.
Tiny.
I stands for interesting. O
Yes.
stands for observance.
इस seat पे रखे sit
Objective on the topic. N stands for natural.
So we are now
Communication means these are the crisp word of communication. So everybody is right, everybody knows it. But if we have all the things, then we can just go forward in our actions. We can lead the life successfully, and we can just go for it. You can think it. This is a very good mode of communication. Will lead our path to a success. Thank you very much.
Okay, please give your hand. Okay, and please sit down and then give your feedback. Please. Can the lights
Very
be on?
confident, very
So that
clear with
you
the
can-
thoughts. Nicely explained and activities involved everything.
The whole presentation you were very happy and you look shining.
Thank you, sir.
तुझे छा गए विजेंदर
Awesome.
Thank you.
Very nice.
You're looking very good.
yes
Thank you, sir.
Very professional.
confident and presentable
Body language was very good today.
content was also very nice you covered like lot of things
Thank you, all of you. Thank you very much.
So people should get a feeling that I'm learning something new. That's the only. But the way you towards the end, the way you are relating, I think the crowd was it. But in the beginning, I was like, okay, this everybody knows. Okay, so that was the only this thing. But very pleasant way you carried it through. Although there was some disturbance, you carried it very pleasant way. And wish you the very best. Please come. And
This is the key. Key takeaway also there. Good communication skills are key to success.
And the best activity that I liked was when you asked everybody how important it is for your organization. And that was the best activity that you did. Everybody felt that hey, communication is very important in various sectors that you said. And communication skill is a very much needed in companies. Training is there's a huge opportunity there. Please come. And all of you please stand up. I wish you the very best and may God bless you. And please give your best wishes and please congratulate you. And you will
very
have
nice
very confident.
Very nice. Very nice.
जो फ्लो था कंटिन्यूअस